What's going on, guys? Ben from JK Gear and Gadgets, and today I'm going to teach all you guys how to be a JK owner.
Whoa!
Oh my God!
I was coming down slow, I swear to God.
Did you spill your drink?
Right.
First you gotta buy a JK. Brand new, and very expensive.
Step 2, you gotta name your Jeep. Something near and dear to your heart. Something that means a lot. Old Caroline is my baby.
Alright, step 3. Now you gotta make an Instagram for your Jeep. You basically aren't anything unless you have a Jeep Instagram page right here. Puddle Jumper JK. Follow me. Get some friends to follow me. Then make them comment on my pictures, like my pictures, make other people follow me. Gotta make an Instagram.
I've had 2 Jeeps today, not Jeep wave to me. I'm going on Facebook to complain to my Facebook group.
Here's the deal. These things are ready to go 100% stock. I mean, I bought it yesterday, drove it here today, and now I'm ready for the Rubicon Trail. 100% fully stock on the trail.
You got to get your Jeep and drive around on a dirt road and call it wheeling.
Step 7. Make sure everybody notices that your doors are off.
So step 8, you're actually going to need a lot of upgrades. You're going to need big old tires because they really suck stock. You're going to need a lift kit. You're going to need bead locks. And you're going to need a ton of other stuff before you're ready to hit the Rubicon.
You go to all the meet and greets, meet a bunch of people, you get sponsored. I got sponsored by this light bar company. I got 5% off.
Alright guys, this thing's nothing but a money pit. You know, every time I go out, things break. I need to get a reliable vehicle. I'm going to get something else. I'm going to get a Tacoma.
You know, boys, I got to tell you, back in my day, we didn't have none of these fancy JKs, all them electronic things on there. We didn't have no soft shackle. What the heck is this? We got a hard shackle. That's what a real Jeep's about. They could outrun you. They could outwheel you. There ain't nothing out there like an old CJ, an old LJ, an old TJ. These things, they ain't nothing. Just telling you.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you found it humorous, but make sure to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, check out my other videos. I want to say a big shout out. Thanks to all the people helping me make this video. Couldn't do it without them.
Boy, what's that in your hand?
Soft shackle.
Hell, I don't even own a damn Jeep. I lie. I own a YJ, but it's powered by a Chevrolet.
All the parts keep breaking. Alright, stop. Alright.
Okay.
Make that a blooper.
Go hit up Old Caroline on YouTube. Give me a like, hit that subscribe button.
No.
Make sure to look for me on YouTube, Jeepin Adventure, new page. A lot of wheeling videos.
How many?
4.
Also,
Got him!